If your skin ever turned red, turned burnt, or started peeling after using a lightening or whitening cream, this is your wake-up call. This video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my space. This is your girl Jennifer Chris, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about bleaching your skin. Okay, you're not bleaching your skin, you are damaging it. But the good news is you can repair it, you can rebuild it, and you can glow again. I'm going to be giving you everything you need to know about it, the consequences, and how to brighten your skin without bleaching. So let's start with the truth. And the truth is, bleaching products are not evil. They are not automatically evil, okay? Now, it is the way people use them that causes damage to their skin. Not because the product is really bad, but the way that people use them, okay? Over-bleached skin happens when you use strong products, like extremely strong products, extremely strong ingredients like hydroquinone, like steroids, or even mercury. You use lightening creams too often without your skin breaks. You are using it back to back, okay? What will happen? Your skin barrier, that protective layer that keeps moisture, becomes weak, it becomes thin, and it becomes sensitive. That is what happens when you over-bleach your skin. Now I'm going to be telling you about the signs. What will you see? What will you notice so you will know that you're over-bleaching your skin? Number one is what? Redness, burns, sensation, that burning sensation. That's number one. Number two is that thin paper-like skin. Your skin will become very thin. Your veins will become visible. So that visible green veins on your face and your body, that is a sign of over-bleached skin. Again, undertones, some areas will be white, some areas will be dark. That is a sign of over-bleached skin. The next sign is what? Breakouts, rashes, sensitivity to sunlight. When you go under the sun, your skin itches, your skin burns. That is another sign. Now, if this happens to you, if this is familiar with you, it's not too late, my brother, my sister. You need to stop now and let your skin heal. The only way your skin can heal is when you stop now. Okay, I'm going to be telling you the mistakes that you make. If you find yourself in this condition, some mistakes you make also make it worse. Number one is using strong creams every day. Why do you need to do that? You don't need to do that. Your skin needs to rest, okay? Number two mistake you're making is what? Overusing harsh products. If you do that, you're stripping your skin barrier again. Number three is what? Mixing different lightening creams together. You pour this one, you pour this one, you pour this one. Why are you doing that? You think combining creams make it work faster, right? I'm sure that's what you think, but no, that is not actually it. Let me tell you what it does. Once you start combining creams like that, it actually burns your skin. You're mixing steroids, you're mixing hydroquinone, you're mixing acids. It becomes a chemical disaster. That's what you're doing to yourself. So stop doing it, okay? Now, the next mistake you're making is what? You're using body cream on your face. I've said this on my channel so many times. Use body creams for body, use facial creams for face. Why? Because the facial skin is thinner and more sensitive, all right? So products meant for the body are too strong for your face, and it can cause instant damage to your face. So desist from doing it. Please go and get facial products, all right? Now, the fifth mistake you're making that's making your skin to get over bleached is what? Ignoring sunscreen. Why? Even if you are in the house, use sunscreen. Over-bleached skin is extremely sensitive to UV rays without sunscreen. So if you don't use sunscreen, you get darker very quickly. So start using sunscreen from today. The sixth mistake you're making is what? Trying to fix the damage with more bleaching. Okay, now in your mind you want to fix it, but you're bleaching it the more. That is a huge mistake you're making. Okay, many people panic when they see their skin, react and all that. So, they go about applying even more bleaching creams. Please desist from doing it. Don't do it. That's like pouring gas to fire, so don't do it. Now let's move on to talk about the healing process. If you know that you suffer from over-bleached skin, I'm sure you'll be asking, how do I heal my skin? Now it is amazing for you to know that you can heal your skin and your skin can bounce back, okay? But you need to treat it gently and consistently. Now I'm going to tell you how to heal your skin. All right, number one thing you need to do is what? Stop bleaching your skin. Yes, stop all the bleaching products with immediate effect. Immediately give your skin complete rest for at least 4 to 6 weeks, if possible 2 months. Just leave your skin to rest. No hydroquinone, no steroids, no harsh creams. Just leave your skin to rest, okay? Number 2, the second thing you will do is what? Rebuild your skin barrier. Remember, I told you the skin barrier is what protects your skin and keep moisture in your skin, okay? Now this should be your priority, okay? Use products like ceramides, use products like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, panthenol. Use gentle products. That's what I'm talking about, products that will heal your skin barrier. Number 3 way is what? Gentle cleansing only. Avoid using harsh soaps, harsh body scrubs. Use a mild pH balance cleanser. All right. Number 4 is what? Introduce antioxidants, but slowly, okay? Add a gentle vitamin C serum to your routine. Add niacinamide to your routine. Add serums that repair dark spots and boost your glow. Now the number 5th effective way you can treat it is what? Use sunscreen every day. You already know that I'm going to tell you to use sunscreen, so go and use sunscreen every day. Why? Because bleached skin or over processed skin, it burns under the sun. It gets darkened under the sun easily. Now, natural methods. If you don't want to use all of this and you want to go natural, I'm going to give you some natural methods to use. Number 1 natural method is what? Aloe vera gel. Yeah, because it suits your skin and it reduces inflammation. Number 2 natural method is what? Use rose hip oil, because it will help fade those scars that has been caused by the damage, and then it will also restore elasticity to your skin. Number 3 is what? Use shea butter and use vitamin E, because it deeply nourishes the skin overnight. So if I were you, I will use it at night. So if you still want to brighten your skin, without using harsh products, there are safer ways, okay? Dermatologist approved options, and I'm going to tell you. Number 1 is what? Use kojic acid. Number 2, use arbutin. Number 3, use licorice extract. Number 4, use vitamin C. Why? Because these ingredients brighten your skin without destroying your skin barrier. I've said it over and over again. Know your skin, your ingredients. The ingredients that are soothing, the ingredients that are brightening. Know your ingredients, and it will help you a great deal. Now, drop a comment below and tell me what product you're currently using to solve this problem, and I'll help you figure out which ones to stop using and which ones to keep, or which ones to even start using if you are not already using some of these things I just mentioned. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, because next we're going to be talking about black necks, dark elbows, and how to lighten them safely. All right, so if you know that you got something from this video, please do well to share, so that people who need to listen to this and heal their bleached skin will see this video, and because and so that the video will get to the right people. All right, so I remain your beautiful Jennifer Chris, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay glowing.